Right now, the world is on hold. Our lives are on hold, our businesses or jobs are on hold, even the news is on hold, quite honestly. Everything is on hold. And we have pretty much no real idea when it's likely to change. But one thing that's not on hold is how we respond to it. In his book, Man's Search for Meaning, Viktor Frankl said, "Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom." The world being on hold has created a space between stimulus and response that is lasting a lot longer than it normally does. And that presents us all with a huge opportunity. I'm recording a series of videos addressing how we can best make use of this time while the world is on hold. We could sit around complaining about how we can't do anything, getting upset and stressed, blaming circumstances and other people, or we can do something about it. We can exercise our power to choose and make the most of this time. We can use this time to unleash our growth and our freedom. One opportunity is to get on with some of those business and personal things that we keep saying, "I really would like to," or "it would be so useful if I," and then we finish the sentence with, "but I don't have time." Well, now you do, and so do I. So what are you going to do with it? Here's a suggestion. When this video ends, sit down with a piece of paper for a few minutes and start to write down all those "I really would like to" things. Don't approach it like you have to finish the list. Just make a start and see what you get. Carry the list around with you, add to it, maybe even start making some plans. The videos that follow will have some ideas that help you make the most of this time on a hold. And I'll also talk about how I'm getting on with my stuff and what I'm discovering. If you want me to let you know when I produce a new video, just pop your name and email in the box and I'll keep you up to date. Oh, and also please do add what you plan to do or any thoughts you have in the comments section. The world may be on hold, but we don't have to be.